Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see the delete as well as truncate operation. So to work with delete as well as truncate operation, once again we create a dummy table. From department table. So department is the source. From here we clone as well as copy the data to DEPT del. Then we check the content of the DEPT del. After this we create one more table using select star from test.employee. So the content will be copied to employee del. So at present we have two tables. So this is first table and this one is the second table. Right. So using these two tables we will experiment delete as well as truncate operation. So select star from test.employee. So this will list all the records. Then here if you see we are running the delete statement. Delete from table name. Table name is a department del. Then here we are using the where condition where department ID equal to 1. So that means we are asking to delete record from department del with the condition department ID equal to 1. So if there are multiple records, all employee who belongs to department 1 will get deleted. That means these rows will get deleted. So in delete statement you can actually use the where condition. So if you doesn't specify any where condition, then all the data will get deleted. So after this deletion we select the content from department del to make sure there is no record that belongs to department ID 1. So to remove all the data, it will be fast compared to delete without the where class. So that's the usage of truncate. In truncate we can remove all the records and truncate won't support any where condition. So truncate is actually a DDL, data definition language, and delete is a data manipulation language. So here in this manipulation you can pick specific record and you can delete those. But in case of truncate we will delete all the content from the table. So all the content in the sense all the records will get deleted. Here we are running the truncate table and deleting department del as well as employee del. We are truncating both the tables. So after the truncate we are running a test statement to select all the records from both the table to make sure both the table does not contain any records. Now let's go to the demo and experiment delete as well as truncate. Alright, now we will go with a new query. We will change the database to CAtube. So we will create clone of these two tables, employee as well as department, for experiment purpose. So this is the first clone, department del. So department del is created, and when we select content from department del, we get 3 records. The same way we will create clone for employee del. Then we will select the content from the employee del. So this is not employee, it's employee del. So here we create our second table as well. When I refresh it, I can see both the table. So this is employee del and this is department del. So if I run this specific selected statement, department del, if you see, we have department ID 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 departments. So here I am deleting the record number 1, I mean the department ID 1. That means here I am going to delete this specific record. And you can see one row affected, that means one row is deleted. And when I select now, you will be seeing only 2 departments, department ID 2 and 3. This time we are running the truncate, and in the truncate let me keep department ID equal to 3 and run the truncate statement. And if you see here itself, it shows the error incorrect syntax near where. Why? Because truncate statement will not allow where condition, and if I won't respect this red squiggly and still try to execute it, I'll be getting the error, the same message, whatever this red squiggly shown, the same error is displayed here. Incorrect syntax near the keyword where. Alright, now we will delete this where condition. And we will execute these 2 statements. So command completed successfully. Now if I execute select start from test.dept del and select start from test.employee del, we won't get any record. Why? Because truncate means it will wipe out all the records from the table. So we ran the truncate table for both these table, department table as well as employee del. Now if I run the select statement for both the tables, I won't get any record out of these 2 tables because all are wiped out. So we are done with our experiment. You can run drop statement here like we did previously, or you can right click and choose delete. Then we can delete the second test table as well. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.